What's going on, YouTube? Welcome back to another throwback video, guys. I'm just giving you guys these throwbacks, like I said, until the state approves my office space. Man, they're taking all day, guys, so just bear with me. So in this next throwback video, man, we got a 2007 Nissan Altima, very clean Altima. I like this Altima right off the back because of the tint. The tint was 20% all the way around, and it looked good on this car, man. When I drove this car, I just felt secluded in it. It had the black interior and everything. Had 135,000 miles, guys. Keyless entry, with the buttons on the doors and everything. This boy was a very nice car as well, man. I ended up paying $3,000 for this bad boy. It was the 2.5S. Wasn't the 6-cylinder or anything like that. This one did have the CVT transmissions. I'm not sure if all of them have the CVT transmissions, but yeah, man, everything worked. The tires were decent. This was another car that I thought I could have got more money for just because of the condition that this car was in. But I did pay $3,000 for it, and I did sell it for $3,600. I felt as though I probably could have got more off of it, but I didn't get that much, and to be honest with you guys, a lot of people wasn't really even calling. Again, I don't know if that was because it wasn't tax time or anything like that, but as you can see, we did have a little body damage. Looked like somebody had some Bondo right there. They didn't do a pretty good job on that fender right there, but man, you couldn't really even tell unless you was like up on the car, you know what I mean? So to me, it wasn't a big deal. To somebody else, it probably would have been a big deal, but it is '07. It had pretty decent miles on it, 135,000. And again, guys, I just love this tint, man. This tint was real nice. I like the keyless entry and everything. As you can see on the inside, everything was nice, clean, black interior cloth. Even in the front, everything was nice, clean. AC worked, heat worked. Everything was nice about this car, man. So there was nothing wrong with this bad boy either. Paid $3,000, you know what I'm saying? Sold it for 36. Again, I think I could have sold it for a little bit more. I think it was worth a little bit more. But you guys let me know what you think. It was push to start and everything. What you guys think? 3,600, was that a good deal for it, or you think I could have got more? You guys let me know what you think. I value you guys' input. So make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. Hit that notification bell, guys. Got a lot of content coming for you guys very soon. You will not be disappointed. Trying to get to 1,000 subscribers, guys. I'd appreciate it. I'll catch you guys on the next throwback. Peace.